In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale images in Canva. If you've ever had a photo that looks a little soft or too small for a poster, a presentation, or a social post, upscaling helps you boost its resolution so it looks crisp without having to recreate it from scratch. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is on screen, click the photo you want to improve so it's selected. This tells Canva exactly which image you want to work on. Now look to the left-hand side of the editor and click Apps. At the top, you'll see a search box. Type in Upscale, then choose Image Upscaler from the results. This is the built-in tool that uses AI to increase resolution while trying to preserve detail and reduce blur. When the Image Upscaler opens, you'll be asked to choose how much to scale your image. You can pick 2x or 4x, and in many cases, you'll also see options that go up to 16x. Think of 2x as a safe, everyday boost that keeps things sharp for web graphics and small prints. Choose 4 when you're preparing something for larger displays or light print work and want more headroom. Higher options, like 8x or 16x, can be useful when you need a dramatic size increase, but they require more processing time and can lead to very large files. As a rule of thumb, pick the smallest upscale that meets your final output needs, because it's faster and usually looks more natural. Once you've chosen the resolution, click Upscale. Now, wait while Canva processes the image. The time this takes depends on the size of your original photo and the level of upscaling you selected. During this step, the tool analyzes edges and textures to reconstruct detail, minimize pixelation, and keep lines clean. If your original image is extremely low quality or heavily compressed, don't be surprised if the improvement is noticeable but not perfect. Upscaling enhances what's there, but it can't rebuild detail that never existed. When the process finishes, you'll see the upscaled result back in your project. Zoom in to check fine details like text on signs, hair strands, or edges of shapes. If it looks a bit too smooth, consider trying a smaller upscale level next time. If it looks great, you're done. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the photo, go to Apps, search for Upscale, choose Image Upscaler, pick your scaling level, click Upscale, and let Canva do the heavy lifting.